members of the faculty board, proud parents and guardians, grandparents, families and friends, visitors, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is a very special day for all of us, especially for my fellow graduates. We, the grade 6 pupils of LCSI, stand here filled with joy, gratitude, as we reach this important milestone in our lives. First and foremost, we thank our Almighty God for His guidance, wisdom, and endless blessings throughout our journey. Without Him, we would not be here celebrating this achievement. To our beloved parents and guardians, thank you for your unconditional love, sacrifices, and support. You have been our inspiration, our strength, and our biggest cheerleaders. Every step we take forward, it's because of your unwavering faith in us. To our dedicated teachers and school administrators, we deeply appreciate your patience, hard work, and commitment in shaping our minds and character. You have been more than educators. You have been our second parents, mentors, and our role models. Thank you for equipping us with knowledge, values that will guide us as we move forward through the next chapter of our journey. To our dear classmates and friends, thank you for the beautiful memories, the laughter, and the lessons we have shared. Our time together has been a journey filled with challenges, teamwork, and fun. Though we may part ways, the friendship and lessons will always remain in our hearts. Lastly, to our younger siblings in kindergarten, congratulations on your first step on your academic journey. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and enjoy every moment of your education. To my fellow grade 6 graduates, congratulations to all of us. We have worked hard, persevered, and today we celebrate our success. This is not the end, but the beginning of a brighter future. Let us continue to dream big, work hard, and trust in God's plan for us. Thank you, and may God